Hi and welcome to the Malat cookery channel. So today I want to show you my version of the perfect vanilla cupcake recipe. So for me to produce the perfect cupcakes, I just have to follow three basic principles. The first one is regarding the butter. The butter needs to be soft but not runny soft, and definitely not too hard. That will affect the end result with regard to the cupcakes. The second thing is the mixing time. So I'm using a food mixer with a cake mixing paddle, and the actual mixing time for the cake mix is absolutely vital. So we're going to be using a 2-minute mixing time as a total time needed for this. Mix it any longer than that and it will affect the end result. And the third thing is the cooking time. So 170 degrees in a preheated oven, and we're going to bake these cupcakes for 20 minutes, no more than that. As usual, a full list of ingredients will be given at the end of the video, so let's have a look at those ingredients now and anything else we're going to need for today. So the ingredients for today's recipe, I've got 125 grams of self-raising flour. We've got 2 medium free-range eggs, and to that I've added 2 tablespoons of milk and half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. 125 grams of unsalted butter, again at room temperature, really important. 125 grams of caster sugar or fine sugar, and half a teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda. So the first thing we want to do is to sieve all of our dry ingredients together into the mixing bowl. So in goes the flour. Sugar. And our bicarbonate of soda. So the next thing to do is I've set the bowl into the mixer, add in our softened butter, which I've just cut up into more manageable pieces. In goes our egg mixture as well. Make sure you get all of that in. We're going to be using our cake mixing paddle for this. So I'm also going to be using a timer because it's crucial we don't overmix this. So I'm going to start the mixer off on a low speed just to get it going, then place the mixer onto a medium speed setting, and we're going to time this for 2 minutes exactly. Okay, so that's our 2 minutes up. Before I show you the next step, now's the ideal time to place the oven on 170 degrees centigrade so it comes up to temperature by the time we're ready to bake. So the next thing we need to do is to fill the paper cases. So I like to use a tablespoon and a teaspoon for this. So these are quite large paper cases that I'm using. If you're using the smaller paper cases, you'll probably get about 12 cupcakes out of this mixture. You want to fill them just to about 3/4 full. So as I said, into the oven now, in the middle of the oven for 20 minutes. Okay, so the cupcakes are fully cooled now. So just have a look at it. So we've got a nice sort of dome shape to the cupcake, a little bit of cracking on the top, but this is a really cheap domestic oven that I'm using. The heat distribution is not great through the oven, so we're bound to get that. The actual sponge itself, so really light, nice crumb as well within the cupcake, and the best bit is they are absolutely delicious. For a simple cupcake recipe, absolutely fantastic. So there you go, perfect cupcakes, absolutely delicious. You can decorate these cupcakes however you want to. I will do a follow-up video on different kinds of decoration for things like cupcakes. Please subscribe to the channel, and as usual, if you've enjoyed this particular video, hit the like button. Thank you very much for watching.